What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here. Welcome. This is my physical therapy clinic, and I'm just playing around, having some fun with the new RangeMaster self-assessment range of motion tool. So there's a couple things that need to be understood about shoulder range of motion. If I'm bringing my hand forward and front, like I'm reaching toward the camera right now, this would be considered flexion. And as I reach straight up overhead, that overhead flexion, full range of motion, would be considered 180 degrees. My arm, my hand would touch the floor over my head. Now, a different range of motion is when the arm is out to the side. As I come up, as if I'm making a snow angel in the winter, this motion is called abduction, abduction. And so with this range of motion chart, a really simple way to just kind of keep track for yourself at home is to use this abduction. I'm laying on my back. I'm laying actually on the chart itself. Right here, I'm at 90 degrees of abduction. As I elevate and come around, now I'm moving toward 180 degrees. This would be full range of motion. This would be about 50% range of motion. Down at my side, this would be 0. So having a chart like this, obviously the chart was designed to go up against the wall, but I'm just looking at creative ways. Maybe you don't want to poke holes in your wall. Maybe you're looking for a different way to do it. And the reality is, whether it's against the wall or on the floor, you, the patient, probably still can't see it anyway. So having something set up where you can come down here and kind of get a sense for where you are in the arc of motion might help improve your progress, and at least allows you to track that progress to relay back to your physical therapist. So I hope this little tip was helpful. Remember, flexion is what you do when you're reaching in front of yourself. Abduction is what you're doing when you're reaching out to the side. External rotation is when the elbow is bent and the hand is back toward the ground. Internal rotation is when your elbow is bent and you're reaching down toward your waistline. I'll catch you guys on the next video.